Understanding, toe the party line, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, toe the party line. This idiom is often used in political contexts but can be applied in various other situations too. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how to use it in everyday conversations. Toe the party line means to conform to a policy or an opinion that is generally agreed upon by a group or organization, especially a political party. It implies following the group's rules or decisions, even if one doesn't fully agree with them. The phrase is often used in scenarios where there is an expectation of loyalty or uniformity in opinions and actions. The phrase, toe the party line, has an interesting history. It originates from the practice of lining up soldiers by their toes during military drills to ensure straight lines. Over time, it became metaphorically associated with people aligning their thoughts or actions with the guidelines set by a particular group or organization, typically used in the context of political parties. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. Even though he had different ideas, the congressman decided to toe the party line during the vote. As an employee at the firm, she often had to toe the party line and support the company's decisions publicly. There are variations of this phrase that carry a similar meaning. For instance, fall in line, or follow the party line, are often used interchangeably with toe the party line. These variations emphasize the act of conforming to a set standard or policy within a group. Understanding phrases like toe the party line can enrich your English language skills, especially in understanding political or organizational contexts. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, history, and the many ways we express our thoughts and actions. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.